Be honest. You've been grinding for years, saving every extra dollar, but your net worth is still crawling toward 100K, and it feels like you'll never get there. You're not alone. Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's partner, once said, "The first $100,000 is a..." Why? Because in 2025, with inflation eating your paycheck and lifestyle creep sneaking in, that first 6 figures is the hardest money you'll ever make. But here's the good news. Once you hit it, everything changes. Your money starts working for you. Stick around. I'll show you exactly why it's so tough, why it matters more than the next 100K or even 1 million, and the real steps to break through faster in today's economy. Picture Sam, 28, graphic designer in Austin, Texas. He clears $4,000 a month after taxes. Solid money, right?
But rent's $1,800, up 20% since 2023. Groceries, $600, car payment plus gas, $500, subscriptions, $250, eating out and fun, $600, and he's left with maybe $800 to $1,000 to save. At that rate, 100K should take about 8 to 10 years. But life hits. Phone breaks, car repair, wedding gift, vacation temptation, and suddenly savings stall. Stats back it up. In 2025, the average American under 35 has just around $20,000 in savings. Only about 14% have 100K or more in liquid savings. The first 100K isn't hard because you're bad with money. It's hard because you're building from zero with no momentum yet. Before 100K, your money barely grows on its own. Example, Sam invests $200 a month in an S&P 500 index fund, average 7 to 10% historical return. After year 1, about $2,500 total, mostly his contributions. But fast forward, once he hits 50K invested, compounding kicks in hard. At 8% return, that 50K alone grows around $4,000 a year, more than many people's monthly savings. Charlie Munger was right. The first 100K is brutal because you're pushing the snowball uphill. After that, gravity, compounding, takes over and it rolls faster. Sam gets a $500 raise, new apartment, nicer phone, more Uber Eats, income up 12%, but savings rate drops. This is the silent killer. As earnings rise, average salary jumps 5 to 10% every few years. Spending rises too. Result? Net worth stays flat even when you earn more. $15 a month forgotten subscription times 12 equals $180 a year. Bank fees, overdrafts, impulse buys, when your balance is low, these hurt 10 times more. Sam lost $400 last year to small stuff. That's 4 months of investing gone. Progress feels invisible. After 2 years, 15K saved. Discouraging. But those habits, tracking, automating, are building the foundation. Once locked in, the next 100K comes way faster. Fast forward 6 years, Sam's consistent. 100K invested at 8% return, it grows about $8,000 a year on its own. Suddenly, he's not just saving, his money is earning like a second job. That's why the first 100K matters. It's proof you can win the discipline game and unlocks the real wealth accelerator. Ready to speed it up in 2025, 2026? Here's what actually works. Track ruthlessly. Use Mint, YNAB, or a simple Google Sheet. See every dollar. Awareness kills waste. Automate like crazy. Set up auto transfer to high-yield savings, 5% APY in 2025, and index funds, Vanguard or Fidelity, on payday. Pay yourself first. Beat lifestyle creep. When you get a raise, save or invest at least 50% of it. Live like your old salary. Start investing now. Even $50 to $100 a month in low-cost ETFs, VOO, VTI. Compounding starts small but explodes later. Kill hidden leaks. Cancel unused subs. Negotiate bills. Use cashback apps. Small wins compound too. Bonus 2025 hack. Max Employer 401k match. Free money.
Use Roth IRA for tax-free growth and side hustle if possible. Extra $500 a month shaves years off. The first 100K is a marathon of consistency, not a sprint of genius. Sam hit 100K last year, but the real win? Confidence, control, knowing he built a system that works. If you're stuck right now, remember, the grind is temporary. The momentum is forever. Drop your biggest barrier in the comments. Lifestyle creep or no compounding yet? Like if this motivated you. Subscribe for more Real Talk Finance and hit the bell